Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo.
Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Scorpio at ang mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tignan po natin ngayon kung ano po yung mensahe na ating pong makikita para kay Scorpio at sa kanyang person para sa buwan ng Marso 2024. Sex with you. And you were right. Okay. Scorpio, ang topic natin dito is something very sensual or something to do with intimacy. Kasi parang you wanted to say something about your person with regards to being intimate, with him or her. And your person is saying you were right, tama ka. So this is just to give that confirmation na kung ano man yung nasabi mo, nagawa mo, o yung something that you have argued before, that your person wanted to say na oo, tama ka. Maybe hindi niya masabi noon, but now through these cards na ito yung gusto niyang sabihin sa iyo ngayon. Okay? So, tignan natin kung ano yung pipick up natin energy dito sa tarot para sa iyo, Scorpio. Okay, we have a jumping card. It says here, 8 of Cups, the 7 of Pentacles, and the 7 of Wands. Bottom niya is the 9 of Swords. Yung person mo naman, again, we have the 3 of Pentacles, the Chariot, and the 3 of Swords. Wow. Bottom niya is the 7 of Swords. Okay, so dito, Scorpio, we have the 8 of Cups. This is actually a very, very sad energy, Scorpio. Kasi you walk away, parang nawalan ka ng gana. Ang pakiwari ko dito is umalis ka You left the relationship. It could be you physically left, talagang umalis ka. In other words, umalis ka sa bahay, or nakipag-split ka talaga, nakipaghiwalay ka na, or yung emotion mo dito, since this is a cup, yung emotion mo do sa tao ay nawala. It just, kung nag-deplete, naubos yung pakiramdam mo dito sa tao, yung pagmamahal mo sa tao parang nawala o nabawasan. The Eight of Cups. Now, with the Seven of Pentacles, no? Matagal na kayo. Matagal na kayo nagsasama. Matagal na tong relationship. Kung ba, taon ang inyo nang naipundar sa inyong pagsasama. So, hindi to yung recent lang, ha? Talagang years ang pinag-uusapan natin. So, you might be married to this person, no? Or if you're still in a relationship, hindi pa kayo married, but matagal na kayo, in other words. And with the Seven of Wands, maybe dahil sa sobrang tagal, naging very overprotective ka rin naman, Scorpio, with your emotion, no? So, sobrang tagal na ng pangyayari, pagsasama, naging overprotective ka rin sa iyong sarili. Pinrotektahan mo yung sarili mo. Mahirap kasi na may nawala eh. If you felt na nawala na, no? Nawala na yung kagustuhan mo to be with this person. O sabihin natin yung init ng pagmamahal, no? O yung libido with this person, that attraction, that fire, that intimacy, no? O that passion with this person, parang nawala. Kasi kaya nga, kung ba defensive, nasa defensive mode ka, ano ba pwede mo na lang protektahan? Of course, yourself, sarili mo, ba? Para hindi ka totally masaktan. And your person, on the other hand, sinasabi nga niya, you were right, well, nagtatry naman yung person mo to cooperate with you, to make sure that the relationship works in perfect harmony, you know. Kung ba ginagawa naman yung share niya, and you're doing your share as well. But something, kung ba needs to move with the Chariot. Kung ba there is a decision that needs to be made, no? Kailangan mayroong decision na gawin sa relationship na to. Yung tipong, saan ba tayo pupunta? Kasi dalawa yung daan No, with the Chariot, decided ka na nakasakay ka na So you want forward movement, no? Sa person ni Scorpio, you want forward movement. But the question is, where am I going? Saan ba pupunta? Ano bang gagawin ko? No? I think there was this question of what to do. Kasi, nasasaktan ako. I am hurting inside with the Three of Swords. No? It was painful. Maybe the fact that something has lost, something died down, merong namatay, merong hindi na yung dati, kung ba. Kaya masakit yun. It brings pain sa person mo, Scorpio. Maybe your person wanted to tell you, tama ka. Kung ano man yung pinag-awayan nyo dito that made you or provoked you to move, to go away, to leave, to say goodbye, or to parang mawala, no? Yung love and attention na yun sa person. Mawala yung passion na yun sa person. No? Sabi niya, tama ka. Kaya may rason ka kung ba you have a reason to feel or react this way or behave this way. Does it have something to do with the sex with you, Scorpio? Having that intimacy thing, na ginagawa ng isang mag-couple o mag-partner? Hindi na ba kayo compatible pagdating doon? Or you're having difficulty feeling that passion again with each other? Maybe because things have, maraming nangyari. In other words, kasi yung card mo dito, Scorpio, is Nine of Swords. No? Sleepless nights. You worry. You feel so sad. Malungkot ka. Deep inside, you're very, very sad. Nakikita ko dito. Iisip ka. And your person, on the other hand, with the Seven of Swords, this is also not a very good card kasi this is all about lying, cheating, yung pagtatago, paglilihim, not telling the truth, doing something else na hindi okay. In other words, hindi ka honest sa person mo. Hindi ka honest kay Scorpio. Meron kang tinago, nilihim, may ginawang mali o ginawang masama. Meron eh. Maybe that's why Scorpio got mad. Nagalit siya. Nawala yung init ng pagmamahal niya sa'yo. Okay, tingnan natin pa. We have the King of Swords, the Six of Pentacles, and the Four of Cups. Bottom niya is the Ten of Pentacles. A person you have the Knight of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups, and again the Seven of Swords. Bottom niya is the Five of Cups. Okay, Scorpio. So, dito, the King of Swords, gusto mo malaman yung katotohanan. You wanted to find out the truth. You wanted na magkaroon kayo ng conversation o pag-uusap o discussion para malaman mo o masabi na once and for all yung katotohanan na yan. You wanted to dig deep, malalim na pag-imbestiga para malaman mo nga kung ano na nangyayari talaga. And it has something to do with equal give and take. Patas na pagbigay at pagtanggap. Maybe this is what was lacking, Hindi na-provide ng person mo, Scorpio, yung energy na to. Kasi with the Four of Cups, kung ba yung love na ino-offer sa'yo ngayon, hindi mo pinapansin. You felt na parang, nawala ka ng gana, kung ba? Kasi ang nakikita mo yung dating nangyari. As if you cannot forget all those bad things or memories that happened before. Nakafocus ka lang doon. Hindi mo siya maalis sa isipan mo. You cannot take it out of your system or your mind. And somehow, nakakasira yun Nakakasira sa iyong isipan. Nakakasira din sa relationship. Lalo na kasi kung na-discuss na ito. Na if you already have talk about it, those things in the past, I guess this is one way to say na kalimutan na natin yun kasi tapos na yun Nakaraan na yun. Let's move forward. Maybe that is why your person, ito pala, with the Chariot, wanted to move forward. kalimutan na natin. Magbago tayo. So, alam mo yun, umusad tayo. Huwag nating balikan ng balikan yung nakaraan. Kasi, hindi naman madali talaga na mapakinggan. Yung, alam mo yung paulit-ulit, yung mga nangyayari dati. Tapos na eh. Paulit-ulit na naman. But there is something na nangyari here that really, hurt you. Kaya kung gaba parang naging defensive sa person mo, no? You've been very, parang binibigyan mo na ng wall ngayon yung relationship. Hindi, hanggang dyan ka lang. Hanggang dito ka lang. Hindi mo na masasaktan. Yung gaba defense mechanism mo to eh. Because you felt that there's so much pain nung nakaraan that you don't seem to, parang hindi mo na ma-appreciate now yung love na pinapakita niya. Yung at love and attention now. Kung gaba parang for you, parang huli na ang lahat. Parang ngayon papakita sa akin kung kailan ko kailangan, hindi mo binibigay. Ngayon na parang wala na, hindi ko na feel. Yung gaba, gusto ko nang give up o parang nabawasan na eh, kung gaba. Nasaktan na ako o meron nang nawala, natapon or something like that. Literally. Okay? I know you understand me, Scorpio. Kasi ikaw, no? Ito lang yung pinapangarap mo sa relationship nyo eh, no? The 10 of Pentacles. Having it all. No? And ito na yung person mo na meron kayong pamilya, maganda yung pamilya, yung mga bata, maayos ang bahay, may kotse, may pera, nakapag-travel. In other words, very stable ang inyong pagtanda. Sa inyong pagtanda, no? Very stable pa rin kayo. Not bad. Lahat naman tayo gusto itong 10 of Pentacles. No? Talaga naman. Your person, on the other hand, ito kasing energy niya eh. The Knight of Pentacles. Mabagal kumilos. No? Mabagal kumilos itong person na to. Hindi agad nagmo-move, hindi agad gumagalaw. Parang nag-iintay siya ng oras niya o yung para sa kanya yung perfect timing for this person to move, to express or to do something. Maybe you're dealing with the earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. But your person also wanted the same thing, no? Sa kanya naman yung 10 of Cups, yung total happiness, total satisfaction, total contentment, no? Kung ikaw, Scorpio, you want all the practical things in life, your person wanted all the happiness, the emotion in life. Makaramdam siya ng kaligayahan with you, with your children, with the family. Not bad as well, kasi talaga rin naman na gusto natin maging maligaya. Pero, ano nangyari? Maybe the fact na dahil gusto nga niya makamit ito, ano ginagawa niya? May nagagawa siyang mali, kasalanan, pagsisinungaling, pagtatago, pagnanakaw, paglilihim, o merong siyang sinasabi nating addiction or something na talagang not good. Basically, not good for himself and for the relationship with the 7 of Swords. No, meron siyang ginawa. Kaya masakit eh, no? If you would look at the cards, magkailalim, no? The 3 of Swords and the 7 of Swords. 3 of Swords is all about yung pain, yung sakit na ramdaman niya. Bakit mo mararamdaman yun? Kasi may ginawa kang mali. No? You did something wrong. na nagdulot sa iyo ng pain na ito. Kasi dito, yung Five of Cups, ayan ngayon, nagre-regret ka, no? You're regretting for having done something that is not good o mali sa relationship. No? This is a card of regret. May panghihinayang ka. To a point na sinasabi mo, you're right. Tama ka. Siguro ito na yung time na parang inaamin mo na, oo, meron akong ginawang mali. Oo, nagsinungaling ako sa'yo. Oo, may ninakaw ako sa'yo. Oo, meron ako naging iba. Oo, naging addict ako. O matipong ganun. Okay? Take it as it resonates. Whatever your issues are. You know that, Scorpio. So, yun eh. Maybe, kaya nawalan ka ng gana, no? Sex with you is, kung gawa parang zero, bokya. Not interesting at all. I mean, considering you, Scorpio, I think when you're one of the best lovers pagdating sa zodiac sign, no? Scorpio is one of the best lovers, especially when it comes to intimacy. Kasi you're very, very passionate. Mainit ka eh. You have that certain passion in you. Tapos hindi mo ma-express na kasi nga this person has done something wrong. I don't blame you at all. I understand. Talaga mawawala ka ng gana. Again, your person might be really having this feeling na nagre-regret tuloy ako sa ginawa ko. I regret everything that I've done. Everything that I've done wrong to Scorpio. Tingnan natin yung outcome. The Ace of Cups. The Four of Swords. And the Three of Cups. Ang advice sa'yo dito, Ace of Cups, a new beginning in love. Parang sinasabi dito, let's start all over again. As if parang nagdiligawan ulit kayo. A new beginning in love. No? Kaya nga, kung gaba parang, kung ano man yun ang pagdaanan dito na hindi maganda, no? Which is obviously na meron, i-delete natin. Delete. Alisin mo yan sa utak mo. Alisin nyo na. This is the time to move forward. Okay, with the Chariot. Have a new beginning. And while you're trying to make that new beginning, you pray, no? Four of Swords. You pray. You pray for this new beginning. Okay? Pagdasal mo na magkaroon ng panibagong pag-uumpisa. Kasi the Four of Swords is just taking time off. Pahinga muna tayo. Wala muna. No? Kung gaba pause to eh. Hold. Naka-hold, naka-pause. No action at all. You're just lying down. Nakahiga ka lang. Nagpapahinga, nag-iisip, nagdarasal. Nag-iintay kung anong mangyayari sa susunod. Kasi you're hoping for hindi lang new love, but maybe a new reconciliation with this love. Magkabati muli kayo, magkaayos kayo, magkabalikan kayo. Kasi sa totoo lang, di ba, ang tagal nyo na eh. With the Seven of Pentacles, ang tagal nyo na. Hindi ba nakakapanghinayang yung ilang taon na ginugol mo dito sa tao na to, yung pagmamahal, yung attention na binigay mo, tapos nawala lang. Di ba? Nawala lang. Yung sinasabi ni God or ni universe, may pagkakataon pa magkaroon ng panibagong pag-uumpisa. No? You could have this reconciliation. Just give it time muna, time off muna. Kasi siguro nga parang sobra na yung sobra na yung pain, sobra na yung sakit, o wala na talaga. Paano kung namatay na ang isang bagay, paano mo bubuhayin muli? Diba? Haalagaan mo ulit. You take care of it again. Kung gaba sa halaman, kung namatay na yon, and try your best to revive. Kahit na wala na. Maybe plant a new one. Diba? Kung wala na talaga kasi namatay na, you throw it away and then plant a new one. Para lumaki naman siya ulit. Diba ganun siya? Gets mo, Scorpio? So, tingnan natin. I'll give you that opportunity to ask a question. Then, we will get the answer from here. No? Sige lang, isip ka lang ngayon habang nagsishuffle ako. Whatever the answer is. Tingnan natin. Tumatalon talaga yung mga cards. Cards are jumping. Okay, ready ka na, Scorpio? Nakapag-isip ka na ng question mo? Okay, kukunin ko na yung sagot. And the answer is, this is the sign. Okay? Kung ano man yung tanong mo, ito na yung senyales dun sa tanong mo. Okay? Now, what else can we ask? Ang pang-advice for Scorpio? Deeply. Look deeply within to discover your sole purpose in your relationship. Maybe that's one of the things that you need to think about. Ano bang purpose mo talaga dito sa relationship na to? Kasi lahat naman tayo may purpose kung bakit yung person na yun ang nakasama natin sa buhay, di ba? Of all the people here in this world, in this earth, bakit siya? So, may purpose ka dun sa tao na yun. Then wow, 1111 is an important number for twin flames. It symbolizes the harmony and balance of soul counterparts. Maybe this is your person. 1111. Baka twin flame mo to. Pero things are not really working that well with you. Let's get another card. Kasi hindi lahat ka twin flame eh. Admire. It's time to think of everything that you admire in your partner. Oh yeah. Diba? Isipin mo rin naman kung ano yung na-admire mo sa kanya. Bakit ka ba na-in love dito kay Scorpio? Ano ba yun? I think you better start with that, no? Para mabuhay muli yung love and attention na yan. Kung nawala rin yan, because of what had happened, then start to admire. No? Tingnan mo kung ano yung nagustuhan mo sa kanya. And go back. Go back to there. To that feeling. Kasi okay naman siya noong una eh, di ba? Kung bakit ka nga na in love is because of that. Bakit di natin balikan? Kung pwede pang balikan. Okay? Kung kanino man itong Scorpio na to, I hope na nakatulong ako sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.